Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to measure an angle in Fusion 360. If you're working on CAD models, sketches, or mechanical parts, knowing the precise angle between edges or faces is extremely important. The good news is Fusion 360 has a built-in measurement tool that makes this very quick and accurate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the fastest way to check angles anywhere in your design. And if you find tutorials like this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips and software guides. Now let's jump right into it. First, open Autodesk Fusion 360 and load the design where you want to measure an angle. This could be a 3D body, a component, or even sketch geometry. Once your model is visible in the workspace, move your cursor to the top toolbar. Next, click on Inspect. A drop-down menu will appear with several analysis tools. From this menu, select Measure. As soon as you click it, the Measure dialog box will open, and Fusion 360 will wait for you to select geometry inside your design. Now click the first line, edge, or face that you want to use for the angle measurement. After selecting the first element, move your cursor and click the second line, edge or face. Fusion 360, its SAS 360 will instantly calculate the relationship between those two selections. In the measure dialog, you'll now see several values including distance and most importantly, the angle between the two selected elements. This value updates automatically depending on what geometry you choose, making it very easy to verify design accuracy. You can repeat this process with different edges, faces, or sketch lines to quickly analyze your entire model. And that's how to measure an angle in Fusion 360 in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Fusion 360 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.